If you're comparing Hostinger versus Bluehost, you're probably not looking for the best hosting company. You're looking for the better choice for your situation. And that's an important difference. Because both platforms can host a website, the real question is which one gives you more value. For most beginners, bloggers, freelancers, affiliate marketers, and small business owners, Hostinger usually wins on price and simplicity. You get hosting, a free domain on eligible plans, SSL certificates, website migration, email features, and an easy-to-use dashboard at a lower starting cost than many competitors. Bluehost, on the other hand, has been around for a long time and is a familiar name in the WordPress world. Some users choose it simply because they've heard about it more often. But here's where many buyers make a mistake. They focus on the introductory price and ignore the overall experience. What matters is how easy it is to manage your website, how fast it loads, how simple it is to get support, and whether the hosting can grow with your project. That's why many website owners today lean toward Hostinger. Features like NVMe storage, AI-powered tools, free migration, WordPress management, and beginner-friendly setup make it attractive for people who want to launch quickly without dealing with technical headaches. If you're launching a blog, affiliate site, portfolio, local business website, or even a growing e-commerce project, Hostinger often delivers more value for the money. At the end of the day, neither platform is perfect. But if your priorities are affordability, ease of use, modern tools, and overall value, Hostinger is usually the stronger choice for most new website owners. So before searching for Hostinger versus Bluehost, check the current offer linked below and compare the features that matter most for your website. And if you enjoy finding honest hosting comparisons, software reviews, WordPress tools, SaaS deals, and online business resources, subscribe to the channel. We regularly share practical reviews and verified deals to help you make smarter decisions.